Hello everyone, greetings from Eyespecs.com. Today, we'll be taking a look at these Chopard eyeglasses, model VCHF58 in color code 0301. The color of the frame is black and gold. And the lenses are custom RX lenses. Its temples are gold and black. This is the inside of the frame. And this is the other temple. The bridge is also gold. And on its nose pads, you'll find the Chopard logo in gold. On its inner right temple is the Chopard logo in gold, that it's made in Italy, and that it's 23 karat gold plated. On its left temple is the model number, the color code, and the dimensions of the frame. 56 is for its lens, 18 is for its bridge, and 145 is for its temples. These are custom RX lenses. The lens shape is called Mykonos. The lenses are ultra high definition, solid brown, polarized, with an Eyespecs Elite AR coating. The glasses also come with a Chopard gift box, a Chopard case, and a Chopard cleaning cloth. Thank you for watching, and if you're interested in checking out these frames or ordering your own custom RX lenses, head over to Eyespecs.com and have a joyful day.